channel, guys. Mo's Way. And today I'm gonna do a homemade pizza for you guys. It's long due. Guys, before I go into this video, I want you to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I upload a video, you're home. Miss a post. So today, guys, for my homemade pizza, I want some yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast, a little sugar, a little salt, and some olive oil, and some lukewarm water with some flour. The first thing I am gonna do, guys, I'm gonna activate the yeast. So first I'm gonna add some sugar in the lukewarm water and add the yeast and leave that for 10 minutes, and when it activates I will get back to you. Guys, the reason why I use lukewarm water is because if the water is too hot, the yeast will die. So you have to use lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Guys, after 10 minutes, this is how the yeast actually look. So the second step, I'm gonna knead the dough together to form that pizza dough that we're waiting for. So first thing, I'm gonna add the flour to this big large bowl with some salt and then mix the dough. Okay guys, so I finished knead the dough. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to add a little oil in the bottom of the surface. I'm gonna rub the oil all over the dough and I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna cover it and leave it for up until 1 hour. Yes guys, back from 1 hour, guys, and this is how my dough actually look, guys. After 1 hour, double in size, guys. So now I'm gonna roll it out and assemble the pizza. So rolling it, guys. Assemble the pizza, guys. Yes guys, so guys, I finished roll it out and I put it on a 12-inch pizza sheet. So now I'm gonna assemble the pizza. So first I have some tomato sauce that I make in a previous video, so you can go and check that video to how you can make your pizza sauce. So I'm not gonna put the sauce close to the end, guys, because I don't want when it's baking the sauce come over too much to the edge and burn. Next thing now, I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese that I get at the local supermarket. I'm a cheesy person, guys. I love a lot of cheese. Some sweet peppers, some red onion, have some pineapple here, some sausages, guys, and I have some leftover barbecue chicken, guys, so I'm gonna add some on it. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more cheese on the top, guys. So guys, I finished assembling the pizza. So the pizza gonna bake. When it's finished, you will see it. You're gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Yes guys, the pizza is now out of the oven, guys. As you can see, it looks very delicious, guys. I wish you could have a bite. Well, remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, bye.